Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to install Tiny Life Demo on a Chromebook. Firstly, make sure you have Linux enabled on your Chromebook. If you don't, the video will be linked in the description. And then after you install Linux, go to this website which will be also linked in the description. Scroll down until you find this. Hit download on the Linux. Okay, so after that's done, hit show in folder and make sure to move the file to the Linux files. Or instead of that, I could just right click on the file and then hit cut, and then go into Linux files, right click, and then hit paste. I'll just close. Okay, so now that's done. It's command time. Okay, so what you want to do is type in terminal. Okay, so what you want to do is copy the first code. Hit Control-C to copy, and then hit Control-Shift-V to paste inside the terminal, and then hit enter. Okay, so now that's done. Now we're gonna copy. Now we're gonna copy the last code to install the application. Okay, so as you can see here that Tiny Life Demo is installed on my computer, and that's it for today. Bye guys, don't forget to subscribe and like.